account, I have 4 people that block me. As you can see here, it says 4. So here is the blockers. So that's it. Now I have 4 people that block me on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how to find who block you on Instagram. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open your phone, all you have to do now, go and open your Instagram app. So after you open your Instagram, as you can see now, so just go to your profile at the bottom right side. If you come to your profile like this one, as you can see now you can be able now to see a section which gives you who block you. As you can see, the first one is post, second one is followers, and the third one is following. So for now, there is no any official button from Instagram that gives you access to see who block you. But in this video, I will show you possible method to see who block you or how to find who block you on Instagram. All you have to do now, close your Instagram app. So now go to your Play Store or App Store. After you come to Play Store or App Store, all you have to do now, install this app. As you can see now, here is the name of the app. As you can see now, this app, Followers and Followers Pro, this one. So here is the icon of the app. So after you install this app, all you have to do now, go and open your app. So for me, I already installed the app. I'll just go and open my app now. Here is the app. So after you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to type in your login information for your Instagram. So don't worry, just add your password and your login information to log into the app. So after you log into the app, all you have to do now, it will give you interface like this, as you can see now. So all you have to do now, tap on this section. As you can see here, it says blockers. So as you can see, so now on my Instagram account, I have 4 people that block me. As you can see here, it says 4. So here is the blockers. So that's it. Now I have 4 people that block me on Instagram. So in order for you to see the list of the people and their profile, or to find the people and their profile, all you have to do now, tap on this blocker section. It will give you the list of the people and their profiles. So that's it, guys, on how to see who block you, or how to find who block you on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.